Okay, I am now recording our last get-together, Reno Overlanding for 2020, and it's camping setups or cooking setups for camping. And I'm going to go around and ask, we're going to start with these three gentlemen who are munching on their steaks vigorously and ask them, what does your cooking setup look like? And can you show it to me?
Yes.
Oh, where is it?
It's a barbecue, see?
Ah, Texas Roadhouse. That is one way to get your food. Now I have moved on from the steak-eating gentleman to talk about this unique setup of Aaron's. Aaron, how are you tonight?
Very good, very good.
And I see you have what looks like a wok or a scuttle, or what?
It's the cheap scuttle from Amazon.
Ah.
Bayou Classic is the brand. And when I got it, they were $25. I think they've shot up to about $60 now, though.
Which isn't bad. I heard you earlier saying it was a great little product.
Oh, yeah. Cast iron.
And what are you cooking here? Oh,
I'm making some steak stir fry.
With peppers, roasted peppers.
We're going to have all sorts.
Now I'm going to go underneath so people can see what you have this setup. You have a propane cylinder over here with the hose coming into your burner, and it's a single burner, but it has a pretty aggressive flame that you can control. That's very nice. So the burner is from, did you make that or buy that? Or?
I bought the kit off of Amazon. It's one of the standalone burner kits.
Okay.
And I took it all apart and took the part off that I needed, the actual burner. And
so this
built everything else.
This arm, this flip arm. So you built this part.
Everything except for just the little
burner itself. Very nice.
All the frame was custom made to be able to fold up on this for when it all slides into the trailer. Keep it compact and easy to access as possible.
And if you notice, we always use Aaron's trailer to put up our banners. We have the Overland Bound banner, our Reno Overlanding flag, and the good old American flag. And Miss Connie. So we have a unique tire table in which you have placed your stove on and are cooking. What are you cooking tonight?
Well, we're making a chicken burger, chicken sandwich kind of thing.
Ah.
The chicken's been marinated in a bunch of spices, some curry. So.
No, it smells delicious. Yeah,
I do have a cooking set here. I'll do this for you.
Okay. Let's see what your setup is, even though you pre-bought everything. Oh, look at this. Nice drawer system. So you got all your pans, pots, and plates, and
everything lives in there
and stuff. So, and then you have an ARB fridge that all the perishables live in.
Sure.
And then what grill do you use? Do you have just a stove, or do you?
I have a Coleman stove,
okay.
And I have a Weber portable hibachi.
Oh, very nice.
And then when we really feel fancy, we do the Lodge Dutch oven show with the briquettes.
Okay, very nice.
So it depends on where we are.
That's when we can actually burn flames.
We can have flames, exactly.
Very nice. Thank you.
Very high tech. We've got the Coleman Mark V Mod 1 green special from 15 years ago camping.
Yeah.
Tonight we're going to do salmon burgers and
salmon burgers.
Salmon burgers.
Very nice. You catch the salmon yourself? No.
I did not. Whole Foods caught the salmon burgers.
That's good.
Yeah.
So your tray that you have it on. You built that?
Yeah, I built that. And
very nice.
Yeah, I cheated and modeled it off of one of the more popular ones in Australia. Too expensive to ship, so I just decided to sort of make one happen myself. So it's worked out really well.
They say imitation is the best form of flattery, right?
That's right. Yeah.
And do you carry a refrigerator with you, or?
So no, we're early days. I only started building this in February.
Okay.
And we are in cooler mode. until the fabricator can get around to making my bumper, so I can put the tire on the back and create the space. And it's
Excellent.
It's just a list of,
It is, isn't it?
things and time.
Oh yeah, and it'll, for a year, 2 years, it'll keep going on.
That's right, and it's part of the process. What I love about it.
Yeah,
right? Yeah,
it is.
The build up.
So we're now going to go ask someone else about their cooking setup. And now, what did you do for your cooking setup tonight?
I brought pizza.
Aha. So yeah, they brought their steaks over there. It's like, they're showing off those nice cooking.
Smells good.
Yeah, it does. It does, doesn't it? Did you guys bring something?
I stopped at famous days.
I already ate. I just came to meet you guys.
Okay.
First time.
Well, in that case, I'm going to go over here and ask him what they.
That smells really good.
Yeah, that's right. Now that you're eating, and you're the last in the group here.
Yeah.
So, what was your cooking setup? Oh my goodness gracious! Look
Well,
at this.
it could be an induction stove or a microwave. In this case, we microwaved up some chicken raviolis with some homemade pasta sauce and made some pasta and heated that up in the microwave because it's super easy and quick. So when you get to camp, you open the door and 2 minutes later you're eating.
Nice.
Really,
Yes.
it's convenient. When you're tired on a long day in the trail and it's cold
I
and
understand.
you want to eat,
Yeah.
it's simple and quick. Yeah.
Yes.
Everybody should have a
And if it's
microwave
cold,
in
you
their-
can just
in their
stay
vehicle.
inside.
Well, that
Yeah,
too. Yeah. Exactly.
Can I take a picture of
Yeah,
the?
go ahead. Help yourself. Yeah, you can hop in there if you want, or if you want me to.
Excuse
give
me,
you a-
guys. No,
open
it's,
something up.
yeah, we're just trying to do the cooking setups tonight, and I'll just do a quick little thing. So
And
I
right
don't
here, in case you want, is also the induction stove.
look at that.
So this way it doesn't take up counter space, but it can be cooked. And then also
And a
this can come
tray
out-
on the outside.
The induction stove can come right out on here, plug in right here, and be cooked outside. Or the Vitamix can come out here to make smoothies and mixed drinks, blended drinks, which is
So we used
also
to call them
important.
blenders
Yeah,
when
yeah.
I was younger.
Blender,
yeah,
blender works, same thing. Yeah, fancy name for a blender, expensive blender. That's it.
Thank you very much.
Tonight, instead of that, we're doing wine. Yeah, because
It-
wine out of a
That's right.
yes.